What if every leaf, tree, and river could store and reflect human memories? Imagine a world where nature is not just a backdrop, but an archive of all human experiences. Trees whisper the secrets of our past, rivers carry the echoes of our joys and sorrows, and mountains hold the wisdom of generations. How would it change our relationship with the natural world? Would we seek solace in forests, hoping to reconnect with lost memories, or fear the exposure of our hidden truths? This hypothetical scenario challenges us to consider the profound connections between humanity and nature. Leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments section about this scenario. Don't forget to follow our channel to catch more intriguing content.